Question number 8. If A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinate of the point P such that AP equal to 3 upon 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. What is given here? P is a point which lies on AB line segment and A point, B point and B point coordinates are given to you. You have to find out the P point coordinates. Okay, what is given to you? See, you have to write this one given. AP equal to 3 upon 7 AB. So, okay, first of all, change this one into ratio form. Multiplied by AB comes this side, divided by AB. So, you can write it solution. AP upon AB, which is equal to what? 3 upon 7. So, AP ratio is what? 3. AB ratio is what? 7 given to you. See, AB fully 7. Okay. AP part is what? How much? 3. So, full AB is 7. This AP part is 3. What will be left over here? 7 minus 3. That is what? 4. So, M1 is what? 3. M2 is what? 4. I marked. So, write it here that also. M1 is what? 3. And M2 is what you have taken as 4. Okay. Then I know the ratio and I know the coordinate points of A and B line. Then you can find out the P coordinate by section formula. And you know that by section formula. Before that you write the coordinates -2 and B coordinate, that is 2, -4. Mark it. This is x1, y1. This is x2. This is y2. Okay. And you have to write the line also. Point P divides line segment AB internally in the ratio. What is the ratio? Tell me. 3:4. Okay. You have to write this line, then only you can apply the formula. Bisection formula. Write it that also. Bisection formula. We can find out the point P coordinates. P of x, y, which is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Do you remember this formula, section formula? We already discussed in this exercise. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. When you know the ratio and the line segment 2 points coordinate, you have to apply what? Section formula. What is N1? What is M1? 3. What is x2? You have marked, that is 2. Plus M2 is what? 4. And x1 is what? -2. Upon M1 plus M2, that is 7. Like M1 is 3. Y2 is what? Tell me. That is -4. Plus M2 is what? 4. Y1 is what? -2. Upon M1 plus M2, that is 7. 3 into 2, that is what? 6. 4 into -2, what it is? -8 upon 7. Then 3 into -4, -12. 4 into -2, -8 upon 7. From that you will get 6 minus 8 is what? -2 upon 7. And -12 minus 8, that is -20 upon 7. These are the coordinate value of P. That only you have to find out. So at last write the answer. -2 by 7, -20 upon 7. These are the coordinate of the point P. Thank you. Question number 9. Find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment joining -2, 2 and B coordinates 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. In here you have to find out the coordinate points which divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts means what? AP distance, PQ distance, QR distance equal to RB distance. All the four parts are equal here. So you have to write it here first. P, Q, R are the points. Divide line segment AB into four equal parts. You have to write it. This is already given in the question. We are going to find out P, Q and R coordinates. You have to write P, Q, R are the points. Divide the line segment AB into four equal parts. So, we can write AP equal to PQ equal to QR equal to RB. All the four parts are equal, so that we can tell, see, Q is a midpoint of what? AB. Why? These two parts are equal. Same way these two parts are equal. So I can tell that Q is the midpoint of AB. So write it here. Q is midpoint of AB. You know the midpoint formula? Definitely you know what it is. X1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So for that you have to write the point A, that is what, minus 2 comma 2, B what it is 2 comma 8. Mark it x1 y1, x2 y2. Put up the values in the formula. You will get the Q coordinates. x1 plus x2, see, minus 2 plus 2, what you will get? 0 upon 2, comma, y1 plus y2. 2 plus 8, that is what? 10 upon 2. Yes, 10 upon 2 you will get 5. 0 upon 2 is 0. So at last you write that Q coordinates are 0, 5. What is the Q coordinate? That is 0, 5. I got the Q coordinates now. Check it here. Up to AQ if you are taking, P is the midpoint of AQ because these two parts are equal. So we can write it here. P is midpoint of AQ. So write it here, A and Q coordinates, that is minus 2 comma 2 A coordinate, Q coordinate we already got, that is 0 comma 5. Just now we got, see, 0 comma 5. Mark it what is x1, y1, x2, y2. By applying midpoint formula, we will get the P coordinates. You know that midpoint formula, we already written x1 plus x2 upon 2 plus y1, x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma, y1 plus y2 upon 2. What is x1 plus x2? That is minus 2 plus 0 minus 2 upon 2. Like y1 plus y2. 2 plus 5, that is 7 upon 2. These are the coordinates of P. Okay. Then I want to find out one more coordinate, that is what? R. See, now you take up to BQ. See, BQ part. R is the midpoint of BQ since QR equal to BR distance. So we can take it in the third part. Write it here. R is midpoint of BQ. B coordinates you write it first, that is 2 comma 8, and Q coordinate we got 0 comma 5. Mark it x1 y1, x2 y2. By midpoint formula, we can get the R coordinates. You know the formula already, just now we have written, just we will apply the value. x1 plus x2 upon 2, see, x1 plus x2, 2 plus 0 what? 2 upon 2, comma, y1 plus y2 upon 2, 8 plus 5, that is 13 upon 2. 2 by 2 is what? 1. So our coordinates are 2 comma 2 cancel, that is 1. So we can write it, our coordinates 1 comma 13 upon 2. So at last you write the answer here together. They asked you P, Q, R coordinate, so you write it here. P coordinate, that is minus 1 comma 7 by 2, because 2 and 2 is cancelled, so we can write it minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Q coordinates 0 comma 5 and R coordinate 1 comma 13 upon 2. So this is your answer. Thank you.